This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Absolutely stunning 1-bedroom 1-bath sold completely turnkey with high-end furnishings. New kitchen with soft close drawers, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, recessed lighting as well as lighting above cabinets. Impact windows, open lanai with stunning golf course views, golf course completely renovated due to reopen soon. Master bath has large walk-in closet, tiled walk-in shower, raised vanity as well as separated dressing area with raised vanity. Lots of storage in unit as well as storage closet in lanai and extra storage at end of hall. Unit includes covered carport space number 21, golf cart space number 113 with bonus 2014 club car precedent golf cart. This unit will not last show and sell. 7 Lakes is an active 55+ active community with brand new golf course with no trail or green fees, on-site golf and tennis pros, 6 heated pools, on-site restaurant, 6 true tennis courts, pickleball, shuffleboard, bocce, wood shop, hobby room, full-service rec department, library, card rooms, billiards, fitness center, auditorium with full-service bar for all your holiday dances and socials. Centrally located to restaurants, shopping, beaches, RSW Airport and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.